so we have talked about trends. Strategy about trends is what we are going to talk tomorrow. How to plot them, we are going to talk tomorrow. Last 10 minutes, as I promised, we are going to talk about practical. इकडे कट घे. टाइमलाईन पण लिहून ठेवलंस. आज आपलं थोडं लेट चालू झालं लेक्चर बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑल्सो. उद्यापासून आपण वेळेत स्टार्ट करू. माझ्या ज्यांना ऑफिसेस आहेत त्यांना प्रॉब्लेम नाही येणार. आता तू ऑनच ठेवलंयस नाही का? नाही नाही नको. एवढ्या स्लो नेट चालणार असेल तर म्हणजे गंमतच होईल. आयडिया. येस. माझा कम्प्युटर स्लो तरी आहे किंवा एकच मिनटं मी हे आधी क्लोज करते. माझा कम्प्युटर पण गणलाय होते. रेंज तर फुल आहे कारण इथं 4G आहे. मग ते दाखवायला पण असते बरं. नाही इथंच प्रॉब्लेम आहे. एक काडी आहे मला फक्त. एनीवन हॅज गुड रेंज? जिओ? आपण फंडामेंटल अनालिसिसला मंगेशची रेंज घ्यायचो ना बऱ्याच वेळेला खालती. मंगेश आज मैत्रिणींबरोबर फिरायला गेला. उद्या येणार आहे. कोण? हो मंगेश. पुढे येऊन सांगायचं का हळूच? सांग. हो मग पटकन सांगून टाकला मला त्यांनी. कोणाला विशेष करून. बाकी लोक वापरू नका प्लीज. नाही माझा स्पीड स्लो होईल म्हणून. तुझा डेटा कन्झ्युम झाला तर दुःख नाही. ह्याला काय झालं? नाही झालं रे झालं. त्याला बोलव एकदा. Okay, so talking about the practical stuff, very important website, in.tradingview. Okay, in.tradingview.com. And what is the first word that comes up? It is free stock charts, stock quotes and everything. Okay, so it's a very nice site if you want to try it out. Today I'm showing you the free version only. Of course I have the paid version for this, but even the free version works well. Okay, would you give your mobile? I don't know, maybe the range. Okay, so this is the website that you have to put on, in.tradingview.com. Here you can see the search bar, correct? So click on the search bar and here whichever stock you want to put up. Like today I took two examples. One was Larsen and Toubro and one was Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, so let us say I'm talking about Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra, but please be sure you're tapping the correct one. Here you can see US flag. So Mahindra and Mahindra might be listed there also. Okay, ADRs. So we don't want that. Here you go, Mahindra and Mahindra NSC. Visible? Yes, Mahindra stock NSC. Correct? So this is where I'm going to tap. Single click. Now here the chart starts loading. Okay. Immediately I heard something. And what was that? Downtrend or uptrend? Apparently. Apparently downtrend. But wait, let's go to the full featured chart. Okay, always remember this. Click full featured chart. So first, what did we do? If you want to just write down quick steps, how to do technical analysis practically. Because I'm going to give you homework every day. You might be whatever busy in your offices, I don't care. But if you don't do homework, then you will not be in a position to understand what I'm talking about. You won't feel that you're doing that analysis properly. So first is visit in.tradingview.com. That's the step number 1. Step number 2, you get a search bar, right top center. Top center, you had a search bar. Put whatever. So I'm giving you homework of Balakrishna Industries. Balakrishna Industries. Yes. So, but again, I'm telling you, if you don't know what the company does, that's okay. You don't know what is the profit, what is the balance sheet, it's okay. We are learning technical analysis right now. Okay. And what is your homework? You have to search this stock. Okay. So first you go to search, you'll put that Balakrishna Industries there. Then what are you going to go to? View full chart, full featured chart. Then you have to tap on full featured chart. Third step is full featured chart. And then this is what opens. No, it was very much there. I'm going to ask someone to do one more practical. Don't worry. Okay. This is what I hate. That is why I bought the version for this. It's a little bit expensive software otherwise. See, no ads. So what you can do always is a 30-day free trial. At least till you are learning. Okay. And if you feel it's worth it, I personally felt it is worth it, so I bought it. I purchased the Pro Plus version. It costed me around 14 or 15,000 for a year. It is expensive, but it's okay for learners. The free version is absolutely fine. The data is same. Okay, so don't worry about that. You'll just have to click cross every time because some ad will keep on popping some time or the other. Okay, so this is the chart. Now we have to understand very, very, very important things. Which type of chart is this? Quickly. No, I didn't ask trend. I asked which type of chart is this. It's a candlestick chart. Okay, so if I'm comfortable with the candlestick chart, okay, no problem. Now the question is that if I want to change which is the time frame, minimize करना पड़ेगा क्या? Or maybe the paid version and the free version has a little bit different, है ना? Because I'm used to that paid version thing. Do this also as a homework. Huh? Buy the 30 days free trial at least, na? So we'll be on the same page. Otherwise, I'll have to just keep on looking. Where did it go? This part comes in the full featured chart also, matlab maximized position also. Otherwise, it's getting hidden a little bit. Okay. So here at this stage, what you can see, M&M is what name of the chart? Is it visible? M&M, name of the chart. You can see D. It's a time frame. It's a daily chart. Okay, if I click on this, you can even have a 1 second chart, 5 second chart, 10 second chart, 30 second. Okay, 1 minute, 3 minute, blah, 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 5 minutes, 1 hour. So let us understand what do we mean by 1 hour candle. After every 1 hour, one new candle will be formed. So it is that 1 hour's open, that 1 hour's close, that 1 hour's high, that 1 hour's low. Okay, we are going to do this tomorrow also. In fact, this is tomorrow's point which I'm talking about. But this is what we are talking about: day, months, years, whatever. We are talking about first what everyone has to analyze for. Your homework is you have to analyze for 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month for a single stock. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. One more time. How did I check this out? First, I went here on D. Click on D. I'm just scrolling down. And what do you get here? 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. So this D basically talks about what? Time frame. Is this okay? Can I go on to the next one? Here, what can you see? Candles. So if you tap on this, you can get different types. Like we talked about candles, we talked about line also. There'll be so many points. But entire series, I'm going to talk about candlesticks only. Entire lecture series, because everyone is very much familiar with candlesticks. Okay. Additional points, if you want to compare it with what all these things we are going to do at a later stage. But let us just try to check what is the scenario for. So I'm just squeezing this. Towards the end of Mahindra and Mahindra, what do you see? Which type of trend is this? So I'm talking about November to December, full 1 month. See, can you see here November? Yes, here we are talking about December. So since November, what has happened to this stock? Everyone can understand this? Now, if I were to draw a line, so I have this, I have a touch screen, I can draw here. Okay, but if I don't want to do that, see here you can see this. Tap on this. Okay, a small arrow, and you can see a trend line. One more time, wait. This small arrow, and what is this? Trend line. And once I do this, oh my god, this is going to be tough now. I'm going to do this like this maybe. From tomorrow we'll have a collar mic. Sorry. So one more time I'll draw it for you. I just select a trend line. I'm just dragging and leaving it. I leave it and I just have to tap it one more time so that it is frozen. So one more time, I click, my click is on, I'm dragging it down, I leave the click and one more click. Then it gets frozen at that place. So last 1 month, the stock is in a downwards trend or a downtrend. Okay. Can you see something at the end of the trend? Can you see something at the end of the trend? 3 candles back to back in green and with increasing volumes. Correct? 3 back to back green candles with increasing pattern. We have not talked about the types of candles. We are going to do that tomorrow. But this is known as an inverted hammer candle. This last candle is known as an inverted hammer candle. It's like a trend reversal. That shows a trend reversal. So last 1 month, Mahindra and Mahindra was falling. Ideally, it should show a reversal. Ideally, it should start increasing. Okay. During this entire course, I will try that your course fees are recorded like this only. I will try. Okay. So please understand, I am not giving you a tip. Buy Mahindra and Mahindra. I'm telling you what is a trend. Look at the trend. Look at the price. Look at the price pattern. Look at the volume. This is showing a reversal. Okay. And no one can give 100% guarantee, but studies are showing that this should be a reversal. Okay. But which time frame are we checking? 1 day. So we are talking about a short term. Short to medium, max to max. Short term only. Why medium? Short term only. If I'm talking about a weekly chart, no, this is a weekly chart now. First one was daily. इसको क्या हो गया? ये hang हो गया यार. Okay, I'm not able to move my mouse. Okay, yes. Chalo, just by looking at it, which trend? Again, it is a downtrend only. Na? How to draw it? Click. Trend line. Let's say I'm drawing it from here. Drag, click, drag downwards. So we are going to discuss that tomorrow, how to draw trend lines is tomorrow's point. Today we are just trying to look at it just by our naked eye. Can we understand whether it's a uptrend or a downtrend? Okay. So weekly still showing a downtrend, but again, what is important? Check out the last few candles. On a weekly pattern also, okay, there were lower lows. Okay, but here again one big green candle has formed with good volume also. So in the medium term, reversal is not clearly seen. Is it clearly seen? Not clearly seen. Maybe we'll have to wait for one more week for the medium term. What I can say, confidence in the medium term. Okay, for the confirmation. Yeah, I was looking for that as a confirmation in the weekly pattern. Okay, so what is the last we are going to check? 1 month, and monthly candles are to be checked for a long term perspective. Okay, now long term may again overall this last few months tuck downward. Okay, and here towards the end again nothing big. You can see that is a very clear reversal seen or nothing really. Nothing really. So this is very important. In the short term we can see a reversal pattern. Medium, not so clear. Long term, not so clear. Now please understand. The question that you were asking, how do I decide who am I? This is the answer. If you are trading in Mahindra and Mahindra, if you are investing in Mahindra and Mahindra, you ideally have to be a short-term investor. Okay. You have to have a stop loss in place, because I said that yes, I can see a reversal. But can I say 10 out of 10 I'm going to get correct? No. If my study goes wrong, I must have a stop loss. Otherwise, what will happen? It is going to go down. Then you'll say, Are Mahindra, big name. Let us wait and watch. And you know what is wait and watch going to happen? Medium term is bearish. Long term is bearish. And you will incur more and more losses. Are you understanding? Yes? We'll do one more chart, last chart, but a little bit quick now. Okay? Anyone wants to come as a volunteer? Good. So, just before you come here, everyone is going to get a chance to become famous. Okay? So, what you have done is in.tradingview.com. I'm again just showing you quickly. What did you type? In.tradingview.com. This was the screen which came up. This is home screen, na? Yes. And from there, he's going to teach. What's your name? Dilip. Okay. Over to you, Dilip.
I should use my.
Yeah. Because how will it come in the recording?
Okay. So, which company?
That's 19. So, you'll have to type that. My favorite.
Here we are in Larsen and Toubro at NSC stock. NSC exchange, na?
NSC.
Exchange. Okay. At where we should go full chart, full feature chart.
Is this very weird that you can see? Very weird. Not the full chart apparently is showing up. But then what is the problem? It's a monthly chart.
Yes. Time
Change
frame.
it to daily.
Now we can change here at a daily chart. Now we can visible. There is uptrend also, and here it yes cross होता है ऊपर.
Anyways.
Now what trend?
So everyone got uptrend? Yes. Weekly.
Weekly. Weekly candle. for 1 week.
Yeah. So I'll just tell what is a weekly candle. One candle is equal to 1 week. We are going to do that tomorrow again. But it's like from Monday to Friday, which is the opening point. So opening point is Monday.
Yes.
Monday 9:15. Closing prices? Friday 3:30. मी frame मध्ये येणार आहे. Huh? Monday 9:15 is opening. Friday 3:30 is closing. What will be the high? In the entire week, wherever it is high will be the high. And what will be the low? In the entire week, whatever is low. Okay, this I told in a quick pattern. We are going to do that tomorrow also, don't worry. So in the weekly pattern also, what can you see towards the end?
Upward.
See, this is somewhere around August to September.
Yes.
Since August to September, it's almost going up, up, up. This is medium term. And do for this monthly now.
Monthly chart.
Monthly chart also, what can you see?
Bullish.
Bullish. So almost everywhere it is in the bullish pattern. High, high, high. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Good.
Thank you.
Very easy. Are you getting it? So have you also written down how to check it out on indoor trading view? Yes. There are other also. There's one more site. This site known as investing.com. But see, you can do all these R&D afterwards. I feel everyone should be on a common platform while we are studying. Okay. Please understand that I don't get any commission if you buy this. Okay. This is not a sponsored content. Okay. This is the good charting software that I thought is free of cost. Even if you have any account with Zerodha or Upstocks or whatever, every single broker has their own charting platform. But so that we all are on the same page, everyone has to check indoor trading view. Okay. Have you understood? Yes. Practically also? Yes. Will these practical sessions help? Yes. So that will continue every day? Yes. Okay. Fair enough. But practical sessions will only continue if you do the homework. Huh? Like small children, I'm going to ask you every day in the beginning of the class, have you done your homework? And if you say yes, then we'll have the practical session. Okay. Acha, how much time did it take for the practical? Not more than 5 minutes also. 5 minutes on a higher side to check the monthly, weekly and daily time frame. So I'm sure whatever is your busy schedule, 5 minutes is easy for everyone. Enjoying? Yes. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Which two terms? Oh, so good you reminded, but we'll write that tomorrow. Reversal and trend reversal wala na? Yes. Tomorrow we'll start with that trend reversal thing. Okay. See you. Bye-bye. Oh, 1 minute. This has been chosen as Bank Nifty. Even for the previous ones also, what? No, it was L&T only. For monthly it got selected as Bank Nifty. What? Maybe we were clicking somewhere else and that got selected. That's okay. So you can also do one more homework like L&T monthly chart. Because we didn't see that in the class right now. L&T monthly chart also. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.